Today start a new point, nomenclature of ether. Look here, nomenclature of ether. First is the common system and second IUPAC nomenclature. Look here, first ROR. According to common system of ether, first write the name of alkyl groups alphabetically attached to a divalent oxygen atom and after the name of ether, after the word of ether. Look here, first rule of the common system. According to common system, first write the name of alkyl group or aryl groups alphabetically attached to divalent oxygen atom and after the word ether. Look here, common name of ether is dialkyl ether. Dialkyl ether. Look here, both alkyl group are same by using the prefix di. By using the prefix di. Correct? By using prefix di. Look here, ROR dialkyl ether. ROR, okay, dialkyl ether. Second, everybody, next example, CS3OCS3. Look here, methyl, methyl, dimethyl. Dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Next, C2H5O, C2H5. Diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. Look here next, CS3O, C2H5. Look here, one alkyl group is a methyl, another alkyl group is a ethyl. Alphabetically order a ethyl and methyl. First is a ethyl, after methyl. Name of the compound? Ethyl, methyl ether. Okay. Look here next. Next everybody, CS3O, CS2, CS3. Look at first identify the name of alkyl group here. First everybody, first is the methyl, second the N-propyl. N is a prefix, long chain, straight chain. But N prefix not giving a alphabetically order. This is not a part of the structure according to a common system. Look here, methyl and the N-propyl, alphabetically order methyl first. Methyl, N-propyl, N-propyl ether. Okay, look here second. Look here, CS3O, CH, CS3, CS3. First identify both the alkyl group here. First is the methyl group and second the isopropyl. Look here, in common system, a prefix iso is considered as, a part of the structure. Part of the structure. Okay. N, no part of the structure. Tertiary, no part of the structure. Next is the everybody, a secondary, no part of the structure. Look here, no alphabetically order. No arrange in alphabetically order. Okay. Only iso, the prefix iso are in alphabetically order according to a common system. Okay. Look here, isopropyl and methyl. Isopropyl, methyl ether. Methyl ether. Correct? Yes. Look here next, CS3O, CH2, 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 CS3. Both the structure. Look here. This is the N-butyl structure. Next to the methyl structure. Everybody, N is a straight chain, but N is not a part of the structure according to a common system. Means methyl and butyl. methyl and butyl. You know, here N-butyl, N-butyl methyl ether. Correct? Yes. Look here, next structure CH3O. Okay, next CH2CH3. Next, everybody, CH3. What is this? This is the isobutyl. What is this? This is the methyl also. Alphabetical order first, isobutyl. Isobutyl. Methyl. Ether. Look here, next structure CH3O. Next CH3, CH2, CH3. What is this? This is also secondary butyl. Secondary butyl, and next is the methyl. Secondary is not a part of the part of the structure because common system. Only iso. Look here, butyl and methyl. First, butyl means secondary butyl. Secondary butyl methyl ether. Okay, like this. Look here, next, all of you, the CH3 O C CH3 CH3 CH3. Correct? Look here, what is the structure? What is the part of the structure? This is the tertiary butyl. Name of the compound, a tertiary butyl methyl ether. Like this. Tertiary butyl methyl ether. Correct? Look here. This is the common name of a ether compounds. Common name of ether compound. Look here, only change here. Look here, another names here. 1 minute. Look here, simple name of the compound. CH3, CH3O, C6H5. Look here, the name of the compound here. What is this? This is the phenyl, this is the methyl. Phenyl and methyl, phenyl ether. Okay, another common name, anisole. What is this? Anisole. Look here, next name of the compound. Next. Look here, next here, like this. C2H5O C6H5. Name of the compound, ethyl. You know, ethyl phenyl ether. Ether. Correct? Phenatol. Common name, phenatol. Common name, phenatol. Okay, anisole. Everybody, anisole, and next name is a phenatol. Correct? Look here, all the common structure, the simple name. Okay, simple concept. First write the name of alkyl group. First write a name of alkyl group alphabetically attached to divalent oxygen atom and after the word of ether. Okay, this is a common name of ether. Look here, for homework. Look here, simple for homework. Only change ethyl instead of methyl. Okay, by taking ethyl group here, ethyl. Okay, like this. Look here, ethyl, C2H5. Okay, next. Name of the compound, ethyl, C2H5. C2H5. For homework, C2H5. C2H5. Look here, all of you. Write the common name of this compound. Write a common name of this compound. Look here, common names. The different types of the structure. You know here, common name. Simply, everybody here, ethyl and N-propyl. Ethyl and N-propyl. Name of the compound here, ethyl N-propyl ether. Ethyl N-propyl ether. Second here, ethyl isopropyl ether. Ethyl isopropyl ether. Look here, next here, next, N-butyl ethyl ether. N-butyl ethyl ether. Next, ethyl isobutyl. Ethyl isobutyl ether. Next, secondary butyl ethyl ether. Secondary butyl ethyl ether. And last, tertiary butyl ethyl ether. Tertiary butyl ethyl ether. Okay? Look here, write all the look here, name of the common name of the compound. मी तुम्हाला आता या ठिकाणी असं सहजासहजी सांगितलेलं आहे. तुम्ही सर्वांनी हे नेम तयार करायला पाहिजे. ओके, थँक यू. स्टॉप हिअर.